Still wasting hours fighting with clunky slide designs and messy layouts? What if you could generate a stunning, professional presentation in literally seconds just by typing a single prompt? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at Pitch, located at pitch.com. Pitch is an AI-powered presentation workspace built for modern professionals and teams who need to create, collaborate on, and deliver winning slide decks without the usual design headaches. Whether you are pitching to clients, sharing internal updates, or trying to close a major deal, this tool is designed to make your life incredibly easy. The star of the show here is the newly introduced Pitch Agent. This is their built-in AI tool. All you have to do is type in a prompt describing what your presentation is about, and the AI generates a customized, on-brand draft in seconds. But Pitch isn't just about quick AI generation, it's a complete presentation toolkit. Once your draft is ready, you have full creative control. You can use their powerful editor to add high-resolution videos, animations, and custom fonts. Plus, if you don't want to start from scratch, they have hundreds of expert-designed templates ready to go. According to Pitch, their users save an average of over 5 hours every single week by switching to their platform. Another massive benefit is how it handles teamwork. If you've ever had to email slide files back and forth, you know how messy it gets. Pitch keeps your entire team in a single cloud-based workspace. You get live co-editing, slide assignments, and inline comments, so everyone can work together in real time without bottlenecks. But what happens after you send your slides? This is where Pitch really stands out from traditional tools. Instead of sending a static PDF, you can share your presentation via a live link or set up a custom deal room for your clients. Even better, Pitch allows you to track visitor engagement. This means you can actually see when a client opens your deck and which slides they spend the most time on, giving you the perfect insight on when to follow up. Now, to be completely transparent with you guys, we don't have a massive database of external user reviews to pull from today, but looking closely at the platform, the obvious pros are the massive time savings, the incredibly sleek design aesthetics, and the brilliant analytics tracking. On the flip side, because it is a highly collaborative, cloud-based tool, you will need a steady internet connection to get the most out of its real-time features. And like any AI generator, you'll still want to do a quick manual pass to make sure the copy matches your exact voice. Overall, if you want to elevate your presentations and save hours of design frustration, Pitch is absolutely worth checking out. You can head over to pitch.com to sign up and try out the Pitch Agent for yourself. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews, and drop a comment below letting me know what kind of presentation are you going to build first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.